the police, drop a gear easy. I'ma pass you by, wave at me, say hi.
Face cap, bring another one.
Loud pipes say lies, that's why I keep a Glock. Loud pipes say lies, that's why I keep a Glock.
What's up, people? What's up, people? This your boy Face Cap 1, and what we gonna do today is we're gonna do a two-part. We're gonna do a two-part thing. What we're gonna do is a review of some gloves that I have, and then of course unboxing of some new gloves I got, and then a special unboxing. Yeah, for the brand. All right, but first we're gonna do these right here, man. Alpinestar gloves, man. I had these gloves for maybe a little over a year. Of course, they're Alpinestar. They call it the SMX-1 Air V2 glove, size large. These are good summer gloves, I tell you. Like, I don't really have any issues with these. They fit greatly and perforated, you know, for the wind. All right, so this part right here, this is no defect in the brand. That's when I had an accident. I had to slide. You gotta dress for the ride. You know what they say, you don't dress for the ride, you dress for the slide. So yeah, correct myself. Dressing for the slide. So yeah, that's no fault of the manufacturer, that's all on me. But gloves still good, you know. I paid like $100 for these, whatever, but they're falling apart, you know. Maybe that's, to me, neglecting, not putting, you know, leather cleaner and all that good stuff on there. The only downside of these gloves, what I don't like, is this Velcro piece. This Velcro piece, man, it's hard and it all curled up, right? So basically when I'm riding, like, it barely stick there for real. They just need the, I mean, you don't even hear it. It's not even tacky at all no more. But I hate to throw these gloves away, man, because they still good though. But I think that was the design flaw with Alpinestars with these gloves. They could have had a better Velcro piece, you know, whatever. You know, maybe should have looped around, or, you know, something better than this. It just not strong enough. And then, you know, when I'm riding, so say I slide, right? And I slide like this, because I can't tighten it up, I might slide out my gloves and, you know, got the road rash. Like, that's my only gripe about these, is after a long extended period of time, these things kind of harden up and curl up, and man, you just got some good gloves that you can't really tie down. You know, you hitting it and then they end up popping up, you know. But yeah, Alpinestars, man. I get these maybe a 3.5, man, just because of this. That right there, man. They should have did better, but I don't know, maybe because it's some $100 gloves, whatever. But I didn't need them for nothing but just, you know, summer riding, you know, in the wind. You know, they could have did better than that, because they have bigger gloves, you know, cost a whole lot more, you know, whatever. So for the price, they could have gave us some better banding. But I'm gonna retire these, you know, due to this right here. All right, so that's enough on these. All right, now what we got here? Yeah, these are my new gloves, of course, from Alpinestars. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my first gloves, man. Like when I first got my bike, I do not know what happened. I don't know if they're at my brother's house, they fell out my pocket. Something happened. Something transpired. Oh God. Oh, let me watch what I'm doing. I hate to be the one that don't judge me, people. All right, let me put this up. DeWalt. Never leave home without it. Every man need a DeWalt. Yeah, man. Alright. So I talk about the Alpinestars. And then I got me some more Alpinestars, man. What? You see that brand right there, buddy. Level 1 CE certified. Alright, it's time to open it up. See what we got. Take it out this packaging. Oh, this damn packaging. Alright. Y'all see it. Oh, watch out. So these are not the big old gauntlet gloves made for like track and stuff like that. But these are a bit more heavier duty than my very first gloves. The ones that I just did the review on, those were my second pair of gloves, and they were strictly for the summertime. The first ones, that was good for summer and winter. Well, not winter per se, because they was perforated. I have winter gloves. I'm gonna do a review for the winter gloves that I have. I have actually 2 pair of winter gloves. Just some regular leather with the sheepskin with the insulate on the inner, and then I have some even thicker gloves that's actually heated gloves. But yeah, if Alpinestars on those summer gloves, let's see, yeah, on the SMX, I don't know if you can see that, the SMX1 Air V2. So like if they had, another Velcro, something, because I hate to get rid of these gloves, knowing that it's just maybe I can find a seamstress or something to salvage that. You got the booklet, man. You don't read one, you don't read them all. These are size large. These are called the GP Plus R V2 gloves. They ran me $200. Got those, but nice little knuckles. I mean, Alpinestar does good with gloves, man. You know what I mean? Always good. And you can use your smartphone with them. Dope. And you could with the other ones too that I had. So it has the backup. Ooh-wee, I like that. See how I got that right there? You got that right there. Oh, that feels good. Might have to punch somebody, shackle. I like these. Oh, they hug my hand greatly. Oh man, they making love to my hand. That's it. Yeah, they feel good. Got that added pad right there. I like that. Got that fingertip. Like, wow, okay, that's pretty dope. I ain't even just peeped that. God, my little weird little hands. They got the little fingertip things. protectors, and you got the knuckle protectors with a bend. I don't even, what do you call this part of your finger? The bend knuckles? I don't know. And then the regular knuckles. All around protection right there. I like that. Okay, GP Plus. Just because I like the Velcro, right? Added protection, you know? I like that. I like this. I'm gonna go ahead and get these a 5-star right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get these a 5-star. I gotta break these in, they pretty tight. Got the web fingers. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these a 5. I like these. You can tighten up that part right there. I wonder if though these is gonna lose this grip in the future. Only time to tell. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 5-star because they're brand new. I like the quality of them. Again, they cost me 200 bucks. There are more expensive gloves out there, of course. I didn't need no gauntlet, thick old gauntlet gloves. I didn't need those. All right, so let me put these up. So far, so good, people. So far, so good. All right, last but not least. Now this right here is a special unboxing right here, man. It come from, I actually ordered this off of Instagram. Ordered this off of Instagram. I had a ad come through and I said, what the heck, let me just click on it, whatever. Nice pricing, really cool. The place is called Vinyl Alley. Yeah, in Ohio. 423 North Main Street. All right, let's see what it is, man. Enough with the talking, man. All right. Ooh. What is that? What that's supposed to be? What is this for? Could have. Damn, cushion, that ain't gonna stop nothing if something gonna bend. All right, so let's see what we got. See what we got. Ooh. Ooh, what that say? Face cap 1. Ooh, face cap 1. So that's right there for the bike, ladies and gentlemen, for the brand. And this is the special unboxing right here. So these right here are gonna go on the bike. Can't wait to put these on. Yeah, I already know where I'm gonna put it at. Yeah, and that's it, man. Peace.
See the police drop a gear easy. I'ma pass you by. Wave at me, say hi.